The residents of Lindau will give you a variety of responses if you ask them to name the most picturesque areas of their hometown near Lake Constance. It makes sense given how much Lindau has to offer both on the island and the mainland. The historic district of Lindau is located on a small island in Lake Constance, measuring around 70 hectares. With its centuries-old structures, bustling squares and charming lanes, the ambience of Lake Constance is practically tangible. A striking picture of the Alps and Lake Constance frames the famous harbor entrance with its Bavarian lion and white lighthouse. The numerous cafes along the lakeside promenade, which is the most beautiful on Lake Constance, are the best places to observe the harbor's nautical activities. The impressive 6-meter-tall sandstone lion statue is enthroned with a view of the Bregenz coast as you approach from the land side on the left. The new lighthouse, which stands to its right, has 139 steps leading up to a height of 33 meters. A breathtaking panoramic view of the island city, Lake Constance and the Austrian and Swiss Alps is the climb's reward. The Monkturm, a square stone building from the 12th century, can also be seen if you look at the port entrance. It is situated right on Lindau's Lake Promenade at Lake Constance. The 20-meter-tall tower was once only accessible by a drawbridge and was constructed as part of the medieval city walls. It lost its utility as a signal and observation station when the new lighthouse was built. It was elevated by one story and has unusual glazed bricks all over it. The roof, where adult fairy tale hours are held in the summer, is reached after 91 stairs. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Expect an easygoing vibe here in spite of a fraught past, which has seen it change between Austrian and Bavarian rule. Visually, Lindau is a town held in time. It was once the stomping ground of the 19th century well-to-doers who snapped up land on the shores of the lake to build elegant villas, which still stand. Today, the medieval streets of the old town are home to trendy cafes and boutique shops that sit side by side with colorful historical buildings such as the Gothic Town Hall and Church of St. Peter. A wander along the sweeping Maximilianstrasse brings you into the thick of it. The wide pedestrianized street gives way to twisting alleys reminiscent of York's shambles and squares, filled with alfresco dinners, while artisan jewelry and unusual wares are sold from ancient gabled houses. The 45-meter-tall, bulky structure served as the westernmost point of the city's defenses for a considerable amount of time. Since the deep storm is situated near Schranenplatz, the island's highest point, it has long served as a watchtower. Its current moniker derives from the fact that it was later named a jail. A lovely medieval ensemble is created by the Zug House, the former Bell Foundry and the nearly 1000-year-old Peterskirche, in the area surrounding Schranenplatz. The city museum on the marketplace is located in one of the most beautiful Baroque townhouses, the Haus zum Kawatzen, and the high-quality, diverse art exhibitions are a pleasure to view. Lindau also has a lot to offer culture enthusiasts. The distinctive Lindau puppet opera, which has become famous outside of the area, is performed in the Lindau Theatre in addition to being home to renowned troops and ensembles.